Okay, good. Good evening once again. By the way, sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, I'm Lou Maraon. I'm currently based po dito sa Cebu and I joined IMG way back 2018. So, itong IMG ay shinare lang din sa akin ng aking kapatid. During that time, we are working in a call center industry, kaming dalawa, and ako talaga, no, wala akong idea na ano tong IMG, basta pina-attend lang ako ng financial class ng face-to-face seminar dito sa Cebu. I believe hindi naman ako dadalhin ng kapatid ko sa masamang gawain. So I really attended the class, and maybe most of you makaka-relate din, no? Hindi rin ako agad nag-join with IMG, pero finalo up ako. No, and one thing nagustuhan ko at kaya ako nag-enroll or naging member sa IMGs dahil gusto kong matuto talaga how to manage my finances properly. Paano din makapag-ipon at makapag-invest ng tama. So, basically, naging seminarista ako dito sa IMG. Lagi akong attend ng mga ganitong seminar. I also attended yung workshop. Inulit-ulit ko talaga yan. No? Kasi every people and every meeting, iba-iba din yung trainer eh. So, basically, you will also learn from different speaker, no? Based on their experiences then. So, yan yung nagustuhan ko dito sa IMG, no? I believe kasi the bridge between poverty and financial independence is through financial education talaga. And walang ibang magpapayaman sa atin kundi tayo rin, no? So mas maganda talaga aralin natin, no? Ano ba yung mga natutunan ng mga may pera, mayaman, no? Especially when it comes to money, no? So along the way, sa kaka-attend ko dito ng meeting sa IMG, nakita ko rin gaano kaganda yung mission. If nakatulong siya sa akin, most probably makakatulong din ito sa iba. So I keep sharing the information I learned dito sa IMG. And last 3 years ago, I decided to do this career full-time. So, one of the full-time financial educator ko dito sa IMG. I'm also a licensed financial planner and life insurance underwriter. And sino nga ba si IMG? So, ang IMG po ay isang financial brokerage company. And right now, we are the fastest growing, no, brokerage company. And yung layunin po talaga ng IMG is makapag-educate ng 30 million families by year 2030. Yan po yung aming financial literacy campaign. And right now, we're able to educate around 18 million families already. And congratulations to one for being part of this milestone. Kasi hindi din natin ma-achieve ito kung hindi din tayo laging nagsishare talaga sa mga kakilala natin. No? So, dito sa IMG, we help our members through, of course, unang-una financial education. Importante talaga na matutunan natin, no? Paano i-manage yung ating kinikita. Kasi kahit gaano kalaki yung kikitain mo, kung hindi ka rin marunong mag-manage, definitely, masasayang lang din yan, no? Kasi most people, pag taas ng income, tataas din yung lifestyle eh. Kaya kadalasan talaga ng Pinoy, walang ipon. Dahil yung pag-iipon is nagiging optional lang, no? Kung may matira. In most cases, walang natitira, lalo na kung hindi naman mina-mindset talaga na dapat mag-ipon or mag-invest, di ba? And what's best about IMG, we already have access to different savings and investment program. So, may execution ka agad, no? Knowledge without execution kasi is useless din, no? Yan yung nagustuhan ko dito sa IMG kasi ma-application ka agad ng lahat ng learnings mo dito. And of course, pwede mo rin itong gawing career. Pwede kang maging financial educator at trabahuin yung sarili mong financial brokerage business. So basically, we definitely have a great mission and income opportunity combined. So kung ikaw yung taong ilang taon lang nagtatrabaho, 10 years, 20 years, no? Lagi nagtatrabaho, tumataas ng konti yung sahod, pero mas mataas yung utang, no? Mas malaki yung utang, kaya walang ipon, lubog sa utang, living paycheck to paycheck. Basically, IMG is for you. No? If you're also person na talagang tamang-tama lang din yung kinikita, IMG is also for you. Especially if you wanted to grow your cash flow, you wanted to increase your cash flow, magkaroon ng extra income, magkaroon ng ipon, magkaroon ng emergency fund, makabayad ng utang, definitely IMG is for you. no? So, bakit ba tayo nagtuturo about financial education? Because marami po tayong mga kakaharaping financial challenges, hindi lang ngayon, kundi sa darating pa po na panahon, no? Unang-una talaga dito, uncertain labor market. Sa panahon ngayon, there's no is job security. Talagang anytime maaari mawalan po tayo ng trabaho. And I know for sure mga nasa ibang bansa, no, some jobs are already affected, especially dito sa gera ngayon, no, maraming Pilipino na rin yung nawawalan ng trabaho. One of my existing clients, no, actually nasa hotel kasi siya nagtatrabaho sa Middle East. So sabi niya, right now, no, ay walang magawa yung mga hotel dahil walang guests because of the risk na nangyayari sa nangyera ngayon. Kaya temporarily shutdown muna yung kanilang trabaho, no? So yan yung napakahirap, no? Kasi kung iisipin natin, lalo na kung you are an OFW, ikaw yung inaasahan ng pamilya, no? Everyday kumakain yung pamilya natin, no? Every month talagang dapat nagpro-provide ka, no? Pero what if mawalan ka ng trabaho? Who will take care of your needs? Who will take care of your family's needs, no? Kaya importante talaga rin na magkaroon tayo ng backup plan, no? Kung tingin mo you are secure with your job right now, that's good, but again, mas maganda pa rin kumbaga meron kang fallback, no? Meron kang inahandang fallback in case may mangyaring mga ganyang job, anong tawag niyan, mawalan ka ng trabaho, diba? So pangalawa, marami din ngayon yung nagre-retire yung walang ipon at lubog sa utang, no? So in fact, usually kasi yung mga nakakausap ko talaga OFW, and marami sa kanila na kahit nasa retirement years na nagtatrabaho pa rin because they're unable to prepare for the retirement, no? Wala silang ipon because buwan-buwan, no, lahat ng sahod nila pinapadala lahat sa Pilipinas. Kaya end up tumatanda, no, walang ipon because kung titingnan mo, nag-abroad to provide for the kids, no, pero yung lumaki ng anak, nagkaroon na naman ng apo. Yung mga single, may mga pamangkin ding pinapaaral. So kung titingnan mo, kung hihintayin mo matapos yung mga responsibilidad mo, that's already too late because eventually, kung titingnan talaga natin, hindi naman talaga natatapos yung responsibilidad, di ba? So mas maganda, as early as now, you start saving, no? Para may asahan ka pagdating ng panahon, di ba? And ito po talaga yung tinuturo dito sa IMG. And pangatlo, ito, high cost of education. So, you know that dito sa IMG, no, we can definitely prepare for them, no? Para pagdating ng panahon na meron man tayong anak na mag-aaral na sa kolehiyo, meron tayong sapat na fund na mag-met for his or her education, no? Iba pa rin yung ma-provide natin yung pangarap ng pagiging anak natin, future, di ba? And pang-apat, no, increasing cost of living, no? Tulad ngayon, no, nafe-feel na natin yung pagtaas ng mga bilihin dahil nga sa nangyayaring gulo sa Middle East, di ba? Nagmamahal na yung gasolina, yung crudo, so kaya lahat ng mga bilihin din dito sa Pilipinas nag-i-increase din, no? So yan yung sad reality, no? Kasi nung mga nakaraang araw nga dito sa Cebu, no, walang biyahe yung mga jeepney, yung jeep kasi nagrarally for the price hike, no? Yung mga minimum wage earner naman, no, yung kanilang sentimento talaga tumataas yung mga bilihin, pero yung sahod ganun pa rin, no? So that's the sad reality na kailangan talaga nating paghandaan. Although we cannot definitely control our country's economy, pero pwede nating paghandaan po yung ating personal economy, no? So paano ba natin ito paghandaan yung mga ganitong financial challenges, no? Unang-una talaga, we need to learn how to manage our existing, no, income, no? Paano natin yan ma-manage ng tama? Pangalawa, paano magkaroon ng dagdag kita? Kasi yun nga, no, ang bilis tumaas yung mga responsibilidad natin, ang sahod, naku po, no, hindi mo na-feel na tumataas, no? So kaya dapat magkaroon tayo ng extra source of income. And of course, you need to learn how to save, no? Kung may extra income ka, ipunin mo yan. Kung may ipon ka, aralin mo rin paano magpalago ng ipon. And lastly, no, we need to learn how to protect our hard-earned money. Because basically, wala namang ibang gagawa nito, kundi tayo rin, no? Walang ibang concern sa financial situation mo, kundi ikaw rin, no? Definitely, hindi yung ating gobyerno, hindi yung ating pangulo, no? So, hindi yung ating employer. So, definitely, no? We need to take control of our finances. Nasa ating mga kamay po talaga yan. And dito sa IMG, ito po yung pinaka key financial concept na tinuturo po natin dito, no? And your financial literacy journey starts here. So ito po yung tinatawag na building a solid financial foundation, no? So basically, sa makikita nyo po dito sa ating illustration, no, para nagpapatayo lang po tayo dito ng bahay, no? Ibig sabihin, we need to build it from the ground going up. So yung dapat pala nating unahin talaga is yung nasa pundasyon bago yung taas, no? So ibig sabihin, yung dapat nating i-prioritize is ating healthcare, no? Back care, no? Mapapansin natin talaga sa panahon ngayon, napakamahal magkasakit. Isang sakit lang maaring maubos agad yung ipon, maaari ding malubog sa utang, or worse, baka lahat na naipundar natin po nagbenta or naisasanglaran, diba? Para may pambayad ng ospital, no? And right now, no, wala na sa edad yung pagkakasakit, even yung nasa mga 20s, 30s, no? Even yung mga bata ngayon nagkakasakit na ng mabilis, no? So it's not a matter of what if, but it's a matter of when. Kaya dapat paghandaan po talaga natin ito. Dapat magkaroon tayo ng healthcare para pag tayo po ay nagkasakit, may magagamit po tayo for our medical needs. Alright? So, pangalawa, dapat din po magkaroon tayo ng sapat na protection. Especially if you are the breadwinner, may umaasa po sa kinikita ninyo ngayon, dapat po meron kayong sapat na protection, no? So, this is to make sure na yung pamilya po natin is hindi po mahirapan financially sakaling kunin man tayo ni Lord ng maaga. No, this is the best way for you to show your love to your family. Kasi kung ngayon you're doing everything to provide for your family, what if may mangyari po sa atin? Paano sila? Paano yung pamilya natin na umaasa po sa atin? So, make sure you have proper protection, no? Pangatlo, eliminate natin yung utang, no? Kasi yung utang talaga yung number one stress, no? And napakahirap din mag-build ng investment kung lubog tayo sa utang, no? And what's best about our community dito sa IMG, no? We actually have workshop kung saan tinuturuan tayo ng iba't ibang strategy on how we can zero out our debts. And of course, importante din talaga yung disiplina niyan, at mas maganda rin i-maximize natin yung career side, magkaroon tayo ng extra income para mas mabilis din talaga mabayaran yung lahat ng utang, no? So, I would highly recommend for you guys to become a member of IMG kung hindi pa kayo member, no? And pang-apat, dapat magkaroon tayo ng sapat na emergency fund rin. At least 3 to 6 months equivalent of our monthly income na itabi natin yan, ilagay natin sa mga high yield na savings account, no? Ngayon, yung mga digital bank, maganda na yung mga interest rate nila. Pwede tayong mag-ipon dyan for our emergency fund para anytime sakaling mangailangan po tayo or yung pamilya natin, no, meron tayong magagamit, no? What if mawalan ka ng trabaho, meron ka pang buffer na pera para magagamit mo while you're still looking for another job, no? Kasi kung wala din tayong emergency fund, most probably talaga magkaka-emergency loan din tayo yan, no? So balik na naman tayo dito sa pagkakaroon ng utang kung tayong emergency fund. So it's really a step process, no? Dapat magkaroon tayo ng maraming investments, no? So basically, we need to learn how to make money work for us. Kasi ngayon, di ba, tayo po yung nagtatrabaho para kumita or magkaroon ng income, no? Basically, right now, no, kailangan pa natin magtrabaho para kumita, kasi kung hindi tayo magtatrabaho, wala ding perang papasok, no? So that's why we need to also allocate a portion of our income for investment para yung pera po natin yung magtatrabaho din para sa atin. Para pagdating ng time na hindi po natin kaya magtrabaho, may aasahan tayo pagdating ng panahon, di ba? So basically, dito talaga sa IMG, tinuturo natin yung proper preparation, no? Basically, wala naman talagang sikreto. Kailangan lang po nating paghandaan talaga, no? Para whatever financial challenges po na dumating sa buhay natin, hindi po tayo mahirapan financially if we're able to build a solid financial foundation. Okay? So, try to assess your finances right now, no? Kumusta yung ating financial house, no? Matibay na ba? No? Kompleto na ba tayo nito? Meron na ba tayong healthcare na long-term and short-term care? Do we have enough life insurance coverage already? No? May utang pa ba tayo or wala ng utang? No? Try to evaluate and be honest with yourself kasi kung kulang pa, hindi pa ganun katibay yung ating solid financial foundation, trabahuin natin yan. No? Trabahuin natin yan. No? Simulan natin yan. No? So, yung tanong naman ngayon, paano mag-build ng solid financial foundation? No? So, as you can see dito sa solid financial foundation, yung dapat nating i-prioritize, diba, is getting a healthcare. No? So, actually, talking about healthcare, there are actually two types of healthcare. No? May tinatawag na long-term care at saka short-term care. For short-term, ito yung immediately nagagamit for consultation, for confinement. For short-term, every year po ito binabayaran and you can renew until age 60 or hanggang insurable ka pa. No? Hanggang gusto pa ng HMO company na i-renew ka. And in most cases, yung short-term care, ito ay benepisyo if you are employed eh. No? May mga kumpanya na nagbibigay ng libreng short-term care. Right now, even government agencies, no? Government employee, meron na silang medical allowance na kinukuha din na or binibili nila for HMO or healthcare, no? So that's good. You can definitely maximize that. But remember that may limitation yan, no? So the moment mag-resign ka na, mag-forward ka na, hindi mo na yan madadala na benepisyo eh, no? Because that is quoted employment. So iba pa rin talaga kung meron kang sarili mong healthcare. Especially if you're FW, mas maganda po yung ating long-term care, no? Or even you are here in the Philippines, dapat meron ka nitong dalawa. May short-term care ka, may long-term care ka rin. So, what's best about our long-term care? Basically, ito po ay 7 years lang na pag-iipunan. And of course, guaranteed, meron siyang return of premium sakaling hindi po natin nagamit yung ating health fund for consultation or confinement. So kung walang availment, walang availment ng benefit, hindi nagamit yung ating plan, hindi naman nasasayang yung hinuhulog natin yan. Because sa Kaiser Long-Term Care, guaranteed, money back guarantee yan. And then, in fact, kung titingnan mo yung maturity period, almost times 3 yung makukuha po dito sa Kaiser Long-Term Care. We will discuss more about it in the next slide, no? So, yung partner po natin dito si Kaiser po, Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. Ang Kaiser ay more than 20 years na rin dito sa Pilipinas. So, our main office is in Makati. We also have offices dito. And ang buong Pilipinas po, marami tayong partners dyan or accredited clinics, hospitals. And right now, si Kaiser po, yung pangunahing HMO sa buong Pilipinas. In fact, Kaiser yung healthcare provider ng mga malalaking ahensya ng gobyerno like the Senate, Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, PESA, Philippine Coast Guard, yung mga LGUs, DepEd, no? At marami pang iba. No? So, bakit maganda yung ating long-term care? Because basically, this will already address our 3 major financial needs. No? 3 bagay lang naman po kasi yung posibleng mangyari sa buhay nating lahat, di ba? Yung unang tanong po talaga dito is, what if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? So, dapat talaga, meron tayong tinatawag na life insurance. Kasi ito yung instant money na maiiwan po natin sa pamilya. And, pangalawang tanong, what if I get sick? Paano kung magkasakit po tayo? Who will take care of me? Who will take care of us? No? Maganda yung marami nangumusta, marami nagsasabing get well soon, but at the end of the day, importante po, meron tayong pera. No? Kaya dapat may healthcare tayo because this will take care of our hospitalization. Alright? Especially during retirement years kasi dyan na lumalabas yung mga karamdaman. No? And pangatlo, what if also we live long? Yan, paano kung bigyan tayo ng mahabang buhay? No? Who will take care of us? No? Ang life is a blessing. Kung umabot ka ng edad 70, 80 years old, no? 100 years old, no? That's a blessing. Pero napaka-challenging din tumanda pag wala ka talagang pera. That's why, maganda yung meron kang investments. Para pagdating ng time na hindi na tayo pwede magtrabaho, may aasahan tayo from our investment. So, money is already working for us na. No? So, kahit hindi tayo magtrabaho, may perang papasok po sa atin. So yung tatlong bagay na yan, yung pagkakaroon po ng life insurance, healthcare, at saka investment, kompleto na po ito sa Kaiser Long-Term Care. This is a Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Yan. So, we also call this as all-in-one savings plan, 3-in-1, no? Basically, nandito na kasi lahat sa Kaiser, no? Maraming plans po na pwedeng pagpilian dito. Depende sa edad, depende sa budget, depende sa financial goals po ninyo, no? So, ang i-share ko muna is yung ating standard and recommended plan na K100. 58,000 per year po ito. Pwede tayo maghulog ng monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, then spot cash. Yung one-time payment lang, fully paid na, pwede po yun. No? And ang advantages din ng annualized natin, may 2 months discount compared to monthly rate. For semi-annual, may more than 1 month din na discount compared to monthly rate. No? So, sa Kaiser po, 7 years to pay lang po ito. No? So, kung you are age 22 right now, si Ma'am Tita, age 22 pa, 7 years to pay lang ito. So, at age 29, fully paid na yung plan. Wala nang huhulugan yan. No? After 7 years, chill ka na lang. Wala ka nang iisipin for your Kaiser plan. Bibigyan ka ni Kaiser ng certificate of full payment yan. No? Pero continuous pa rin yung magiging coverage mo for healthcare and life insurance. Okay? Then, maghihintay ka na lang ng 13 years for maturity. So, basically, that's a total of 20 years po. Yan yung ating maturity period. So, talking about maturity, yan yung time po na good as cash na yung ating investment. Pwede na natin yan malamsa. No? So, isa-isahin po natin yung mga benepisyo ng Kaiser. No? Unahin po natin yung healthcare benefit. So, as long as nakapaghulog na tayo ng good for 1 year or equivalent of 1 year, maaaring magamit na po yung ating annual physical examination. Ang kasama po dito is yung ating stool test, urine test, x-ray, CBC, pap smear, ECG, and general check-up. No? Sa dental, discounted po tayo for some dental services, no, like tooth cleaning. And of course, pwede na rin pong magamit yung ating Kaiser plan for confinement or hospitalization. So, meron po tayong budget for K100 plan, 10,000 per year na annual limit. Ito po yung magagamit, no, for confinement. Kasama na po yan yung room and board allowance na 1,000 per day. And for the first 7 years po, yung magagamit yung ating plan for hospitalization or confinement, yung pong related to yung mga basic illness, no, like bacterial, no, and accident. Yung mga tinatawag nating pre-existing conditions, tulad ng hypertension or diabetes, yan po ay covered na after 7 years. Alright? Kaya mas maganda talaga, mas bata pa, simulan na yung Kaiser plan, no? Habang healthy pa, no? Wala pang mga karamdaman. And talking about the life insurance coverage naman, no? Upon approval of your policy, covered na rin po kayo ng life insurance yan. Actually, kadalasan din ang concern na sa akin, no, is this, ang tanong is, what if hindi matapos hulugan yung Kaiser plan? Let's say 3 years, 4 years pa lang naguhulog yung ating policy holder, no? What if, no, kinuha na siya ni Lord? What will happen to the policy? So sa Kaiser, may tinatawag po tayong waiver of installment due to death or due to total and permanent disability. So pwede pong ma-waive yung balance ng plan. Ibig sabihin, fully paid na po yan automatically, no? Waive na yung balance ng plan, wala na pong babayaran sa remaining years ng kanyang Kaiser plan. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng waiver of installment. And then of course, in case of death, makukuha ng kanyang mga beneficiaries yung ating life insurance coverage or death benefit na 450,000. And kung accident naman yung cost ng death, that's another 450,000. So a total of 900,000 po yan. Right? So pwede maglagay ng 1 hanggang 4 na beneficiary po sa ating Kaiser plan. And what's best about our Kaiser plan, by the way, the plan is actually transferable po upon death of our policyholder. So, kaya tinatawag natin yung ipon na walang tapon kasi lahat ng benepisyo na meron ka sa Kaiser, hindi nasasayang yan, no? Naililipat yan doon sa ating primary beneficiary. So, lahat ng beneficiary mo, maghahati sila equally sa death benefit. Yung plan mo sa Kaiser, na ililipat doon sa primary beneficiary, yung nilagay mo sa number 1. No? So, magagamit na din niya yan for yung mga healthcare benefits. Pwede niyang gamitin yan habang naghihintay for maturity. Talking about the maturity, magkano naman yung makukuha? No? So, let's say, K100 plan yung kukunin. That's 58,000 per year. So in 7 years po, bali at 411,000 yung ating contract price, no, per plan. And kung titingnan po natin dito sa tipper, which is after 20 years po makukuha. Kung hindi natin nagamit yung ating Kaiser plan po, especially for the first 7 years, no, walang hospitalization na availment, so 85% of the contract price, babalik ni Kaiser yan. That's 350,000. No? From 8 years to 20 years, kung hindi mo din yan nagamit talaga, may another bonus na 100,000. No? Beginning 7 years, lumalago, kumikita na yung ng dividends na yung Kaiser plan mo. So, kung isum up mo yan lahat, that's a total of 1.1 million, which is almost times 3 yung balik sa inyo yan. From 411,000, kung hindi mo nagamit sa loob ng 20 years, guaranteed meron kang 1.1 million, which is almost times 3 yung maturity value. So, if you started age 22, mature na yung plan mo at age 42, so, meron ka ng 1.1 million. So, in case, if you decided na hindi pa kunin yung maturity mo, tuloy-tuloy po yung paglago or pagtubo ng pera natin dyan sa Kaiser. Tulad ng illustration natin dito, at age 42, nag-mature na, may 1.1 million na hindi kinuha. So, pag age 60 po, naging 6.5 million. At age 65, naging 10.5 million po yan. And after 7 years, by the way, lahat na ng sakit ay covered na po dito sa Kaiser. As long as hindi mo rin kinuha, buo yung maturity value, pagdating ng maturity time, covered ka with healthcare dito sa Kaiser. As long as hindi pa naubos yung health fund mo. So, kaya napakaganda talaga yung ating Kaiser long-term care because kung iisipin natin, no, yung perang hinulog mo for 7 years, hayaan mo lang, kalimutan mo lang, so continuous siya, lumalago, tumutubo. Aside from that, sakaling magkasakit ka, nagagamit mo yung Kaiser plan for consultation, for confinement, no? And then, of course, pag may nangyari sa atin, hindi din sayang ang plan because automatically, it will be transferred to your beneficiary. No? Kaya ipon na walang tapon yan. No? If you're also thinking about the investment side, no? Kung tayo lang din kasi nag-iipon para magkaroon ng 1 milyon, no? So, kung yung goal mo is makapag-ipon ng at least 1 milyon. Let's say, kaya mo mag-ipon ng 5,000 buwan-buwan. So, sa loob ng isang taon, meron kang 60,000. So, para mabuo mo yung 1 milyon, you need to save at least 16 to 17 years bago mo mabuo yung 1 milyon, no? But dito sa Kaiser, if you invested your money sa Kaiser, maghuhulog ka lang ng 5,882 per month for 7 years. Meron kang aasahang 1.1 million pagdating ng maturity on the 20th year. Alright? So, marami na po yung nag-mature na Kaiser plan. You can book page Kaiser International Group Incorporated. Pwede nyo, mas maganda po, ma-like and follow nyo yung ating page para mas maging updated din tayo sa mga announcement ng Kaiser. At dito din po pinopost yung mga nag-claim na ng maturity benefit, yung mga death benefit, no? Nandyan po sa ating Facebook page. Yan. And these are some of our partner na mga hospitals po na actually yung mga major hospitals ay partner din natin ng Kaiser, no? Like St. Luke's Medical City, no? Dito sa Cebu yung Chonghua Cebu Doc, no? UCMed, partner natin yan, no? You can ask the person who invited you to check, no, kung ano-ano yung mga hospital na related si Kaiser. And these are the plans na pwede po ninyong pagpilian. Again, Kaiser Long-Term Care is applicable for ages 10 to 60 years old. Kung nasa 10 to 40 ka na bracket, yung pinaka-affordable plan is K45. That is 26,000 per year. Kung gusto mo ng every 6 months, that's 14,000. Kung dito tayo sa quarterly, that's every 3 months, 7,600. Then monthly po ay 2,647. Yung spot cash, ito yung one-time payment lang, fully paid na yung plan mo, no? That's 166,000. So, yung benefits po dito, sa K45, we have 50,000 na annual benefit limit. Ito yung magagamit for hospitalization. And then, life insurance, that's 202,500. Yung accident insurance naman, pag aksidente yung cost ng death, doble yan, 405,000 yung matatanggap ng beneficiaries. And yung maturity value, ito yung makukuha ng pera po, no, pagdating ng, or after 20 years, that's 500,000, 524,000. Now, if you are at age 41 to 50 naman, pinakamababa na plan na pwede mong ma-avail is K60. That's 35,000 per year. Of course, mas maganda din ito compared to K45 kasi mas malaki din yung benefit mo. 50,000 for hospitalization, 270,000 yung life insurance, 540,000 yung accidental death benefit, and 700,000 naman yung maturity value. For ages 51 to 60, pinaka-affordable plan natin is K75, that's 44,000 per year or 4,400 per month. Yung benefits mo dito, meron kang 60,000 per year or annual benefit limit, 337,000 life insurance coverage, 675,000 accidental death, then 874,000 na maturity value. Pero kung yung goal mo talaga is magkaroon ka ng at least 1,000,000, mas maganda yung ating recommended plan na K100 po, no? Ito yung 5,800 per month lang or 58,000 per year. Mas malaki din yung benepisyo mo dito, yung hospitalization, 60,000 per year, 450,000 yung life insurance, 900,000 naman pag accident yung cost ng death, and 1.1 million yung makukuha mo pagdating ng maturity. So take note po, may policy fee tayo na 500 pesos once a year yan for 7 years. Of course, pwede po kayong pumili ng mas mataas na plan, no? Kasi higher plan, higher coverage, higher benefit din, no? So, pwede po talaga kayong kumuha, no? K150, K200, K500, K1000 po, no? Kung kaya po natin, afford natin. Alright? So, make sure to talk to the person who invited you para ma-guide po kayo paano makapag-start with your Kaiser plan. Okay? So, yung process lang naman natin dito, yung kailangan po to process your Kaiser application is personal details lang at one valid ID, and of course, your initial investment sa Kaiser. No? Once approved yan, no, pinakamabilis ngayon na approval is within few hours, approve na yung Kaiser plan mo. Magkakaroon ka agad ng access dito sa ating online policy management system or OPMS ng Kaiser. Dito nyo po nakikita yung inyong account. You can view your bill, you can definitely monitor your due date, and of course, makikita nyo din po yung ating payment history. So, lahat ng hinuhulog mo sa Kaiser, nakikita nyo po dyan. So, kahit nasa ibang bansa man po kayo ngayon, kampante kayo na yung hinuhulog nyo po talaga is talagang nagre-reflect dyan sa account po ninyo. Alright? Meron din kayo automatically benefit card. It's a virtual card po na update yan every month every time you make a payment. Okay? So, nandyan na po lahat sa ating OPMS. So, kung may Kaiser ka, hindi mo pa nakita yung OPMS mo, make sure to view your account, no, para mas maging kampante ka. Alright? You can definitely process also your payment dyan sa ating OPMS po. Just as the person who invited you para mag-guide po kayo. So, yan. So, I hope you learned something. No? And in addition po, talking about investment, no, maganda rin meron tayong other investment. Kasi kung titingnan po natin, di ba, yung investment side ng Kaiser Long-Term Care is magmamature after 20 years. No? So, paano naman yung ating other financial goals, no? But if you're also saving for your kids' education, gusto mo mag-ipon for your dream house, gusto mo mag-ipon for your dream car, or may plano ka magpa-renovate ng bahay or magkaroon ng negosyo, so habang nagpaplano ka, nag-iipon ka, maganda i-invest mo yung pera mo dito sa recommended na mutual fund account din ng IMG, no? So, talking about mutual funds po, ito yung indirect investment sa stock market. So, talking about stock market, basically, bibili po tayo ng share sa mga malalaking kumpanya, tulad ng nakikita nyo po dyan ngayon sa screen, Jollibee, BDO, Ayala, BPI. So, ito yung mga malalaking kumpanya sa Pinas. So, of course, once you are a part owner or shareholder sa mga kumpanya to, pwede talaga tayong kumita, no? So, depende yan sa laki ng shares na meron tayo. So, when it comes to investing in stock market, may dalawang paraan yan, no? Pwede kang mag-direct investing, pwede ring indirect. But I would highly recommend, lalo na sa mga first time, no? Na hindi pa masyadong malawak yung kaalaman pagdating sa stocks, better to start sa indirect investment, which is through mutual funds po. So, sa mutual funds kasi, meron na po tayong tinatawag na fund manager na siyang nagmamanage ng ating investment. Sila yung nagde-decide kung saan kumpanya ilalagay yung ating pera, no? And for mutual fund, on average, kumikita rin po yung ating investment ng 8 to 12% per annum. So, this is still way better than letting your money sit on the bank, no? Kung yung pera mo nasa bangko lang and you are earning less than 1%. And yung pera na yan is ano lang, no? Sobra na for your emergency fund. So, mas maganda, lagay mo din dito sa investment, no? Sa through mutual fund, no? So, these are the benefit when you invest through mutual fund. Una-una, pina-mention ko nga kanina, no? Professionally managed na siya. Meron ng tinatawag na fund managers na nagmamanage ng investment natin. So, we can definitely make sure over long term kikita yung ating fund, no? And automatically, diversified na yung ating pera or yung ating investment dyan. So, naka-invest na yan sa iba't ibang kumpanya, no? So, when it comes to investing, importante yung diversification, di ba? May kasabihan nga, do not put your eggs in one basket. So, mas maganda, nakalagay siya sa ibang kumpanya. And of course, maliit na yung capital requirement, especially if you are a member of IMG, as low as 20 pesos, pwede na natin yung i-invest dyan sa mutual fund. And it's a great equalizer, no? We are paid proportionally depende sa number of shares na meron tayo, no? Pareho-pareho lang yung interest na pwede nating ma-earn, no? And of course, mataas yung potential return nito kumpara sa yung pera mo na sa bangko o mutual fund na sa 8 to 12% per year, no? And it's very liquid. Sakaling gusto nating ibenta yung ating shares, no, or gusto na nating i-redeem yung ating shares, no, within 7 to 10 banking days, nandyan na po yan sa ating account, no? And this is safe and secure dahil regulated po ito ng Securities and Exchange Commission, and yung pinakamaganda pa nito, tax exempt po. Usually, kung yung pera natin nasa bangko, meron po yung believe 20% na withholding tax, no? But dito sa mutual fund, no, tax exempt po, no? Walang deduction, tax deduction. So, mas maganda po talaga i-invest din dito sa mutual fund for other financial goals po natin. Especially, yung anak mo, maliit pa ngayon, no? 1-year-old pa lang, matagal pa yan magka-college. You have 15, 18 years bago mag-college yan. So, mas maganda, pinag-ipunan natin through sa mutual fund, no? So, share ko lang din, ito yung performance ng isang mutual fund company, no? If you are investing dito, 1995, no? Yung price per share nasa 1 peso pa lang, but 2019, pumalo na ng 39 pesos price per share. So, ibig sabihin, yung 5,000 in-invest mo, yung value na niya is 180,000. So, imagine ilang beses yan dumoble. But of course, 1995 to 2019, hindi naman mabilisan yung kita niya, no? That's around 20 years din. But basically, kung titinan po natin, ilang beses dumoble yung perang in-invest natin dyan, no? And as you can see in the graph, talagang up and down yung market. That's the nature of the market, no? But over long term, talagang pataas yan. All you need to do is to really invest consistently so that you can maximize the growth of the market. In fact, kung mababa yung price per share, mas maganda, lakihan mo yung investment mo para pagtaas niya ulit, mas malaki yung kikitain mo, no? So, by the way, yung partner ng IMG is Soldivo Funds po, no? So, under Soldivo, meron tayong tinatawag na Soldivo Bond Fund and Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. So, sa Strategic Growth Fund po, dito po yan naka-invest sa International Container Terminal Services, BDO, DG Plus, SM Prime Holding, Converge, BPI, SM, Ayala Land, Manila Waters, and Robinsons Universal Robina. Ito yung mga kumpanyang pinag-investan. Kung titingnan natin, nasa iba't ibang sector yan. May banking, transportation, consumer, property, gaming, holding firms, telco, utilities, mining, and retail. So, diversified yung investment natin sa Soldivo. So, you can definitely invest as low as 20 pesos basta member ka ng IMG. Alright? And of course, magkakaroon ka din ng sariling account kung saan na monitor nyo po yung inyong investment dito sa Soldivo Mutual Fund. Alright? So, if you have further question regarding sa Soldivo, mas maganda meron kayong sarili ng account, member na kayo ng IMG, para nakita nyo talaga yung takbo. Kasi, ang hirap din, mas mahirap intindihin kung wala kang sariling account. So, start your Soldivo Mutual Fund today. Ang advantage, pag member ka ng IMG, zero load entry fee tayo, i-sign up kung kahit nasa abroad ka, no? Personal details lang, one valid ID for you to become a member, and automatically, meron ka ng mutual fund account. No, so all mutual funds po are sold by Ramper Financials. Yan yung partner natin ng IMG na license to sell mutual fund. Alright? So yan. So take action, secure your future. No? Are you by the way, are you learning so far? May natutunan ba kayo sa session natin ngayong gabi? No? Kasi kung wala, pwede nating ulitin, no? Pwede nating ulitin from the top, no? Paki-chat naman dyan sa ating chat box if you are learning. Alright? Si Ma'am Chanda, may guest, no? Anong pangalan ng guest niyo po, Ma'am Chanda? Yan. Hello kay Ma'am Nerissa. Good evening, Ma'am Reyna from Tacloban. Yan. Alright. Okay. Alright, thank you for responding, Ma'am Del, Ma'am Telma. Maraming salamat. Learning, si Ma'am Chanda. Okay, so take action, secure your future. You will always have an excuse not to save or invest. No matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure. You're going to get old next year. And no matter what your excuse is, your child will grow up and enter college and you would need money for his or her education. And no matter what your excuse is, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. So you have to be prepared for these kinds of situations. Be with a group who inspires you. When the members of your group save, they will also inspire you to save. Din yung kagandahan ng community natin dito sa IMG. Marami na rin po dito yung lubog sa utang and ngayon, debt-free na. Dati yung walang ipon, ngayon maraming ipon na. Marami din dito sa community na dating OFW, ngayon nakapag-for good na. Diba? So, basically, it's a community of people who really wanted to change their financial situation. From being spender to become saver, from saver to investor, investor to become entrepreneur. So, yun yung kagandahan sa community po natin dito sa IMG. So, be part of our community. Ito yung ating action plan. And by the way, yung IMG, this is the new way na or transformative era, di ba? Ngayon kasi, we are on a membership platform na, di ba? So, tulad ng Landers, no? Kailangan mo magpa-member para magkaroon ka ng access para makabili ka ng mga products nila, maka-discount ka on fuel and some item, no? So, yan na po yung kadalasan nangyayari ngayon, no? On a membership na talaga. May mga membership perks na. So, same thing dito sa IMG, no? So, once you become a member, you get educated in all aspect of personal finance, no? May access ka din sa iba't ibang financial products and services. May training and support. And then, of course, you can save money on various products and services. You can also earn referral commission, referral income by sharing your know-how dito sa IMG. So you can definitely learn and earn dito sa financial industry. Alright? Become part of IMG po. Ito yung mga partners po natin. Sa healthcare, we have Kaiser. What we offer is long-term care, short-term care. We also have group HMO, especially for government agencies. No, sa life insurance, we have under Manila Bankers Life po. No? Meron din yung memorial plan, no? Pwedeng educational plan. So marami pang iba, Fidelity Life. Sa non-life naman, under Manila Bankers, if you are looking for fire insurance, no? You're looking for travel insurance, car insurance, nandyan po. Advantages kasi pag member ka, may discount ka sa mga products na yan. No? Sa banking naman, partner ng IMG is Malayan Savings Bank.
It's 9 o'clock.
Investment under Ramper Financials. No? Una talaga dyan is Soldibo Funds at marami pang iba. Sa real estate naman, Ramper Realty, SMDC Ayala Land. So of course, pag may plano kang bumili ng condo, no, mas maganda yung ikaw na yung sariling broker ng property mo. No? Malaking tipid yan. Then, allied services, we have Kaiser Medical Center, Everest Memorial, Dios Reyes Optical, MyTV, and of course, partner natin, RFP. If you wanted to do this as a career, no, pwede tayong magpa-license under Registered Financial Planners of the Philippines, and of course, Palawan Pawn Shop. No, may discount tayo dyan. Yan. So, once you become a member of IMG, number 1, magkakaroon ka ng savings, may discount ka sa mga financial products dito, may access ka sa mga trainings and all, and of course, privileges, no? And pinakamaganda talaga, income, especially if ngayon, sapat lang yung kita mo or kulang yung kita mo, you can definitely maximize your IMG membership to earn more, no? So that you can save and invest more. Then, magkaroon ng protection, maging educated pagdating sa pera, no? Magkaroon ng investments, makapag-travel. Actually, dito sa IMG, no? When I joined, I never imagined mapunta pala ako ng iba't ibang lugar, iba't ibang bansa, no? So, kung may passport ka, at ngayon ay hanggang valid ID pa lang, patataka na natin yan, no? Become part of IMG para sama-sama tayong mag-travel. Then, magkaroon ng rewards, no? Of course, lifestyle, support, and community. And talking about financial journey, mas maganda yung marami tayong kasama towards our financial journey, no? Especially dito sa IMG. Yan. So, these are our exclusive IMG membership benefits. Once you sign up and become a member, automatically, meron ka na dyang 1,000 pesos na welcome gift na pwede mong ibili na mutual fund. Mayroon ka na ring 100,000 na personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers Life. So, in case accidentally mamawala yung ating member, may 100,000 matatanggap ng kanyang pamilya. For natural death naman, 50,000 yung matatanggap ng pamilya. Ang kagandahan dito sa Fidelity Life na 50,000, pwede siya mag-convert into a memorial service kung wala pang memorial plan. No? And of course, if may kakilala kang OFW, mas maganda yun din yung ating international membership kasi may karagdagan po na 500,000 na coverage, accidental death benefit na 500,000, acts of tourism nasa 600,000. By the way, burial benefit is 100,000. Accidental disablement benefit, no? May value yan kung ano yung maputol, no? And of course, repatriation service. Maganda maging member po ng IMG, especially sa mga pangyayari sa mundo natin ngayon, no? So, once you become a member, covered po kayo nito kahit saan solo kayo ng mundo, no? So, what is a few thousand pesos for a million coverage, no? 1,000 coverage? Mas maganda po na ma-secure natin yung sarili natin para sa ating pamilya. Alright? Of course, may access ka sa ating financial education. Iba-iba po yung topic natin weekly sa ating workshop. Mas maganda ma-maximize din natin ito, no? So, para mas maging knowledgeable tayo pagdating sa pera, no? These are the topics, no? How to increase our cash flow, debt management, building a strong financial foundation, proper protection, building wealth, asset accumulation, retirement planning, wealth preservation, building a business in the financial industry. Yan. So, maraming benefit dito sa IMG. Hindi ko na lang din isa-isahin. Of course, may access ka na rin dyan sa Kaiser and Manila Bankers Life na partner natin. May libreng seminar din sa mga mutual fund investment, no? And then, of course, may discount kapag bibili ka ng or mag-a-avail ka ng mga non-life insurance, travel insurance, car insurance, fire insurance, no? May discount din pag bibili ka ng sasakyan, bibili ka ng property mo. And yung pinakamagandang benefit dito sa IMG na maximize ko personally is the business side, no? So, you can definitely start your own financial brokerage business kahit nandyan ka sa ibang bansa. You can own your business, become a financial educator, or own your time, no? You can help more families become debt-free and of course achieve the income you want, no? Ito yung minaximize ko dito sa IMG, no? So, pwedeng-pwede talaga natin yung trabahuin, no? Meron po tayong mentors na mag-guide po sa atin dito sa IMG. And of course, once you are an active member and doing the career side, meron tayong tinatawag na Eurocash or e-wallet facility. Dito pumapasok po yung ating mga commission every week. So, what's best about this? Of course, very convenient, no? So, talagang matatanggap na natin agad yung ating commission. Unlike before, na cheque pa lang, no? Kailangan ka magkaroon ng sariling bank account bago mag-cash out. Diyan sa Eurocash, no, pwede nga ma-cash out kahit wala kang personal account. Pwede mo ilipat yan sa ibang Eurocash, papalitan mo na through GCash or through your bank account. Pwede yun. Or ibagad sa sarili mong savings program like Kaiser. Or i-invest mo dun sa Suldivo. No? So, yan yung kagandahan ng Eurocash. So, our basic membership for Philippine coded members is 6,000 pesos. Meron na kayong 100,000 personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers Life, 1,000 na pwedeng maibili for mutual fund, and 50,000 from Fidelity Life. And of course, if you are an OFW, we highly recommend for you guys to get the international membership. Nasa mga around 11 to 12,000 pesos yan. Depende po kasi yan sa country kung nasaan kayo, no? Para yung inyong personal accident insurance is nagiging 600,000 yan. No? Yan. And of course, pinakamaganda talaga is maging associate member kayo. Ibig sabihin, member kayo ng IMG, let's say Philippine Code 6,000, kung international code, that's gonna be around 11 or 12,000. And then, start your own Kaiser plan. So, pag member ka ng IMG, may sarili kang Kaiser, automatically you will become an associate member. So, that's 12,382, yung unang hulog. No? Kasi 6,000 IMG member, 5,882 sa Kaiser K100 plan monthly, 500 policy fee, kaya 12,382 yan. So, of course, you can choose naman any Kaiser plan na pwedeng mong simulan, mas kaya sa bulsa. Pwedeng-pwede talaga yan. Just ask the person who invited you para ma-compute kung magkano yung associate membership mo. So, make sure to set a meeting with the person who invited you after the session. No? So, yan. Magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong Kaiser plan. Alright? So, I hope you learned something. No? And of course, very important to really build our solid financial foundation. No? May nagsabi nga sa akin, importante po na unahin talaga is yung madagdagan yung kita, no, bago mag-offer ng insurance, no. So, may point naman, but you can definitely, no, start your Kaiser Savings Program and at the same time, become a member of IMG so that we can maximize the business side para madagdagan yung ating cash flow, no. So, dito sa IMG membership, let's say 6,000 yung membership fee, yung 6,000 mo na pinamember, I know for sure, babalik yan sa'yo 100 folds pag minaximize mo yung career side. Yung 6,000 membership ko dito sa IMG, ilang beses na dumoble, ilang beses na tumubo. Ito yung pinakamagandang investment na ininvest ko talaga para sa sarili ko. If you just really maximize it, no? So, malaking tulong yung IMG talaga, no? So, I know for sure, no? Saan man tayo ngayon, we have, of course, basic needs. Malaki yung pangarap natin para sa sarili natin, para sa ating pamilya. No? So, most of us, of course, may mga financial challenges din tayong kinakaharap. No? Some of us, kulang yung kita or baka maliit yung kita. Kumbaga, hindi enough yung kita natin ngayon to sustain or to achieve our dreams and goals in life. Diba? So, kaya nga tayo naghahanap ng opportunity magandang opportunity so that we can give the best life for our family, di ba? So, kung maliit na yung income mo ngayon, kulang yung income mo ngayon, ano ba yung gagawin mo? No? Liliitan mo ba yung pangarap mo to fit the size of your income? That's letter A. Or, dito tayo sa letter B. No? Kung malaki yung pangarap mo, maghahanap ka ng paraan to increase your income to achieve your dreams and goals for your family. No? So, do not shrink your dreams to fit the size of your income. Instead, increase your income to fit the size of your dreams. Huwag po natin liitan yung mga pangarap natin. No? Instead, hanap tayo ng paraan na madagdagan yung ating kita para mas ma-achieve po natin or mabigyan ng magandang buhay yung ating pamilya. Alright? So, paano makakatulong po sa IMG sa atin yan? So, unang-una, let's join IMG so that we can learn more about how to handle our finances, maging malawak yung kaalaman natin pagdating sa pera. And I believe, no? Yun nga na-mention ko kanina, no? The gap between poverty and financial independence is through financial education. And kung makakatulong ito sa akin, I know for sure makakatulong ito sa inyo. And own your Kaiser Savings Plan so that masimulan mo na kaagad i-build up yung iyong solid financial foundation. By having Kaiser, meron ka ng healthcare, may life insurance, may investment. Alright? And of course, share your knowledge, share the information to others, and earn at the same time. No? So, yung kikitain po natin dito is konti lang kumpara sa benepisyo maibigay po natin doon sa ating mga kakilala. No? Marami sa atin na hindi alam saan ilalagay yung pera, hindi alam saan mag-invest, hindi alam saan magsisimula. Invite them to IMG, no? Let them attend our financial class, let them talk to your trainer, no? Para ma-guided, no? Kung paano mag-start dito sa IMG. Yan. And this is our income projection. No? Kung nag-join ka sa IMG, nag-own ka ng Kaiser Plan, it's basically an associate membership. You are already entitled for 20% contract. So your potential income in a month is 24,000. I know for sure kahit associate ka pa, maximize mo lang talaga yan. Malaking tulong na yan for you to sustain your own Kaiser savings plan, for you to save for your kids' education, for you to build your emergency fund, for you to pay off your debts. Malaking tulong yung extra income kahit gaano kaliit or kalaki yan. Alright? And become a marketing director, no? Magiging 37% yung contract mo. So of course, mas malaking contract, mas malaki yung potential income. That's 44,000. A senior marketing director, that's 47%. Yung potential income is 56,000. This is actually the reason why I resigned from my BPO company, kasi kung tatrabahuin ko lang talaga yung career business side dito sa IMG, I know I can definitely earn more. I can earn more sa compared to the salary I have dun sa BPO industry, no? So yung kagandahan dito sa IMG, wala po tayong quota, no? Wala tayong demotion. You can definitely earn the income you want. So kung ngayon, senior marketing director, bukas naglaylo ka, wala kang production, okay lang yan. Pagbalik mo, senior marketing director ka pa rin. No? So, yan yung kagandahan dito sa IMG. Yung client mo, sa'yo yan. O, sayong-sayo yan. No? Kahit maglaylo ka kinabukasan, yung client mo, sa'yo pa rin yan. No? So, yan. So, I would highly recommend na become an associate member, no? Para kompleto yung mga benepisyo mo. And let's maximize your career side dito sa IMG, no? Kung tingin mo ngayon secured ka sa trabaho mo, that's good, but try to imagine, no, prepare for something na kumbaga hindi pa nangyayari, no? The best thing to prepare for fallback talaga is ngayong okay pa ang lahat, no? Hindi mo pa kailangan, meron ka pang trabaho, no? So yan. So maraming salamat sa inyong oras. I hope you learned something tonight. No? I would like to welcome you all in advance to our community. Together, let us achieve our dreams. Again, I'm Lou Maraon po. You can message me on my mobile number or through my FB page, Lou Maraon po. No? And if galing ka sa page ko, Coach Lou, let's talk for 5 to 10 minutes para mapag-usapan natin, no? How we can, anong magandang plan. Simulan mo sa Kaiser, no? Become part of our community as well dito sa IMG. No? So if you have, make sure also sa mga guests natin, talk to the person who invited you para ma-assist kayo. Alright? Maraming salamat and I hope you learn a lot tonight. And before we end, no, please panoorin muna natin itong video.
I'm an engineer by profession, civil engineer, pero kahit engineer, kahit nakatapos ng college, pero talagang hirap sa pera dahil sa kamangmangan, talagang lack of financial education, kumbaga. Yung financial stupid, exact example ako nun. Kasi talagang challenge may utang ako, credit card, may mga personal ako na utang sa mga kaibigan ko. Yung takot na wala talagang naipon, diba? Yung takot na biglang magre-ring yung phone mo dahil yung pamilya mo nangangailangan ng tulong sa Pilipinas na wala ka rin maibigay kahit nasa abroad ka, na kahit kumikita ka ng mas malaki kumpara na nasa Pilipinas. Diba? Usually yun naman ang takot ng bawat OFW Isa siguro ako personally, my biggest fear is pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas after OFW life, wala akong naipon. Nakakatuwa nga yung opportunity na dumating sa akin sa IMG kasi out from nowhere, dahil lang sa palitaw, di ba yung pagkain na palitaw, na I was invited by a friend, pero doon pala may discussion na sila about IMG. Nang dumating ako doon sa bahay nila, nakakatuwa is narinig ko na yung solid financial foundation, yung rule of 72, X-curve concept, the 10-20-70 rule. Pero talagang ang naghatak talaga sa akin, bakit ko nagustuhan yung tinuturo nila is yung pay God and yourself first. Yung first concept na 10-20-70. Kasi as an engineer, naniniwala ko ng numbers di ba? Na may tamang formula pala sa pag-iipon. 10% tithes para kay Lord, unahin sa lahat. then 20% para sa sarili mo for your future, then 70% for your family, which is for your expenses. Of course, after ko natutunan yung IMG, I get excited na i-share to. I-share ko kagad sa mga very close friend ko, na lalo na sa brother ko, di ba? Tapos sa best friend ko. But unfortunately, hindi pala siya ganun kadali. Hindi siya ganun sabi nga, hindi ganun lang ka-easy lang. Kaya sabi nga, my brother is working in a bank. Sabi pa niya, taga-bangko ako, tuturuan mo ako. Diba? Tapos yung best friend ko, sinabi niya, anay, nako, scam yan, nako, networking yan, huwag kang maniwala dyan, engineer ka, nagpaloko ka dyan. Ang sakit, kahit sabi ko, ganito pala to. Diba? Wala namang masama sa isinishare ko, but unfortunately, I have those hurdles, I have those bumps along the road if I'm doing the mission of IMG. Nung lumingon ako sa likuran ko, sa gilid ko, wala na akong kasama sa team dahil naiwan ako. Yun yung first time na feel ko na talagang napaka-lonely ko. Malayo na nga ako sa Pilipinas, malayo na ako sa pamilya ko. Tapos wala pa yung mga kinoconsider kong mga kasangga ko, kumbaga mga teammates ko. Either I gonna make it or it gonna break me kung itutuloy ko tong ginagawa ko sa IMG. Of course, there are doubts, but sabi nga, tuloy-tuloy lang, kumbaga, di ba? So, laban lang. May isang may isang katagang na narinig ko from one of our mentors sa IMG na find something that you believe in and put your life to fight for it. Talagang I really believe that financial education is the key, is the missing link to become successful, lalo na sa usapang financial ng bawat Pilipino. Kasi I believe na ang Pilipino talaga magagaling, mapasensyoso, matyaga, masipag. And if you give them the right information, Filipino will be successful. Kung nakakatulong ito sa akin, makakatulong din to sa iba. Na para kung after OFW, may naipon kami, makakauwi kami na sabihin namin, hindi naman failure ang pagiging OFW namin. Kundi, masasabi namin, talagang may nagawa kaming tama.